Hi, this is John again. Welcome back to the AceVacuums channel. Today we're answering your top 10 questions about the amazing Miele L1 Cat and Dog Canister Vacuum. AceVacuums, as your certified Miele dealer for the DMV area, we've heard it all, and we're here to give you the honest answers you need. Why is this vacuum called Cat and Dog? What makes it specifically for pets? The name isn't just a marketing gimmick, it's about specialized design. The Miele L1 Cat and Dog Canister Vacuum features the Turbo TQ brush, which uses powerful airflow to rotate bristles, aggressively lifting stubborn pet hair from carpets and upholstery. Combined with Miele's robust suction, it's a true pet hair magnet. Does it really get rid of pet odors? Absolutely. This is where the Miele L1 stands out. It's equipped with Miele's active air clean filter. This HEPA filter has a layer of activated charcoal that effectively neutralizes those strong pet smells as the air passes through, leaving your home not just clean, but smelling fresh. Is the Miele L1 Cat and Dog vacuum heavy or hard to maneuver? Not at all. Despite its powerful performance, this Miele canister vacuum is incredibly agile. It has four 360-degree dynamic swivel casters that allow the canister to glide effortlessly behind you without tipping over. Plus, the lightweight wand and ergonomic handle make reaching every corner a breeze. How does its filtration system protect people with allergies? The Miele L1 Cat and Dog Canister Vacuum uses a sealed system. This means that every bit of air is forced through a multi-layer filtration process, including the self-sealing High Clean Pure Dust Bag and the active air clean filter. The result is a total system that traps 99.9999% of microscopic particles, from fine dust to pollen and pet dander, ensuring the air you breathe is cleaner than the air outside. Is it loud? My dog gets scared of loud vacuums. Miele is renowned for its quiet operation. The Miele L1 is engineered to be powerful without the excessive noise. You can clean without disturbing your pets or your family, a huge plus for sensitive ears. Why is Miele better than a Dyson vacuum for pet hair? While Dyson makes good products, the Miele L1 Cat and Dog Canister Vacuum offers key advantages. The biggest is hygiene. Miele's sealed bagged system prevents the dust clouds that can happen when emptying a bagless bin. And of course, Miele's legendary durability means this vacuum is an investment that's built to last for decades, not just a few years. What is a sealed system and why is it important? A sealed system means all air that enters the vacuum is filtered before it is exhausted. Unlike many vacuums with small air leaks, the Miele L1 Cat and Dog Canister Vacuum ensures no dust or allergens escape before passing through its powerful filters. This is a game changer for air quality. Does it come with attachments for furniture and upholstery? Yes, the Miele L1 is a complete cleaning system. It comes with the main Turbo TQ floor head, a small upholstery tool perfect for couches, and a crevice nozzle for tight spaces, all of which are conveniently stored on the vacuum for easy access. Can I get this vacuum repaired if something goes wrong? Absolutely. When you buy from an authorized Miele dealer like AceVacuums, you get full support. We are a certified Miele repair and Miele warranty service center right here in the DMV. Our factory-trained technicians can handle all Miele warranty claims and any service your vacuum needs, ensuring your investment is protected. Where can I buy the Miele L1 Cat and Dog Canister Vacuum? You can purchase this incredible machine at Miele dealer AceVacuums. We have 2 convenient locations in Fairfax and Leesburg, Virginia, and you can also buy it online with fast shipping. Visit us today to experience the superior power and performance of the Miele L1 Cat and Dog Canister Vacuum for yourself.